Welcome to 1024 Solutions. Today, I'm going to show you how to access the powerful Veo AI video generator for free. We are using VeoAIFree.com, a dedicated platform that allows you to experience high-quality text-to-video generation without the complex setup. It's perfect for creators who want to see the power of Google's Veo model in action. First, head over to the website. Select your preferred aspect ratio. Choose landscape for YouTube or portrait for Shorts and TikTok. Next, simply copy and paste your creative prompt into the box and hit the Generate button. Now just wait a few moments for the AI to process your request. And that's it! Your high-quality video is now ready to download and use in your projects. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to 1024 Solutions for more expert tech guides. Let's start creating.